Earning money online as a student can be a game changer, offering flexibility and a chance to bolster your finances while juggling classes. Let's dive into some ways you can make money online freelancing. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr are treasure troves for freelancers. Whether you're good at writing, graphic design, coding, or even social media management, there's a gig waiting for you. It's like having a virtual marketplace where your skills are in demand. Online tutoring: if you excel in a particular subject, why not share your knowledge and earn some cash through platforms like Check Tutors, Tutor.com, or even creating your own courses on Udemy or Teachable? Helping others learn can be fulfilling and profitable. Remote internships: many companies now offer remote internships, allowing you to gain valuable work experience without leaving your dorm room. Websites like Internshala, LinkedIn, and Remote.co list remote internship opportunities across various industries. Content creation: are you passionate about writing, photography, or creating videos? Platforms like Medium, YouTube, and Instagram offer opportunities to monetize your content through advertising, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Just remember, consistency and quality are key. Online surveys and market research: while you won't get rich quick, completing online surveys and participating in market research studies can provide a steady stream of pocket money. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Pinecone Research reward users for sharing their opinions. E-commerce: got an entrepreneurial spirit? Consider starting your own online store through platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or Amazon. Whether you're selling handmade crafts, print-on-demand merchandise, or drop-shipping products, e-commerce can be a lucrative venture with the right strategy. Remote customer service: companies often hire remote customer service representatives to handle inquiries via phone, email, or chat. Websites like Indeed, Remote.co, and FlexJobs list remote customer service job opportunities that can fit into your student schedule. Remember, while earning money online can be convenient, it's essential to stay vigilant and avoid scams. Always research opportunities thoroughly, protect your personal information, and prioritize platforms with a good reputation. With dedication, resourcefulness, and a bit of hustle, you can turn your online endeavors into a rewarding source of income as a student.